introduction of Dr. Sangeeta Petkar, our yoga instructor, by Chaitanya Shah.
Guide us through Nitya Yoga Sutra. I learned about her from Brain Root when she introduced me to her, and I said, "Oh, we have to call her because I'm very fond of dancing and being a spiritual person. I'm even fond of yoga, so that's the reason we've invited her. She's a very accomplished person. She's a renowned author, research scholar, and a founder director of Nitya Sadhana Academy, which she established in the year 2002. Since then, she's been promoting this, and she's done she's done her homeopathy, she's done her BA in my God, her qualification is so long in dance, and I think in both Bharatanatyam and Odissi. And she's also done her yoga courses, diploma in yoga. She's authored a book called Nitya Yoga Sutra, which details 78 innovative body movements that integrate dance and yoga. Hopefully, we will introduce a few of them today, and I'm super excited about it. She has been invited on international platforms along with spiritual leaders like Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev and Ramdev Baba, and she has been super active. She's also worked for underprivileged communities. She's also founded a Pragati Utsav, a festival celebrating classical dance and music, which gained international recognition. Dr. Sangeeta also created the Jagriti program to educate students about Indian classical art and initiated the Baithak platform for intimate performances. Now, that is something I would like to know more about if we have the time to interact with her. I would also like to introduce Mansi, who's come along with her. She is an IIT student and she's here to assist her and us. I request Ila Dalal to take her. Thank you so much, Mansi, for taking time and being here for us. It means a lot. And young mics to you. Thank you, Dr. Sangeeta, once again.
A very warm namaste to all. Namaste. Before me saying any word, we'll just join the hands in namaskar. Let us just integrate our body and join your feet together. Close your eyes. Take some deep breaths. Say after me. Ambikam Bhuvanam Yasya Vachikam Sarvavangayam Ahayam Chandratarari Yamaha Satvikam Shivam Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. So, to begin with today's session, first let me just give you a little idea and little talk with you first. Okay? Why do you practice yoga? Okay. 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 And why do you dance? So, for pleasure, for happiness, right? For fitness also. Okay. For flexibility. Okay. So, I guess I need not have to explain then what is Nritya Yoga Sutra. Alright? What is Nritya Yoga Sutra? It's a combination or a principle which brings dance and yoga together. Alright? Who is the god of dance? Nataraj, that is Shiv. And who is the god of yoga? Who is the god of yoga? Ramdeva. Somebody said Shiv. So who is the god of dance? Shiv. Who is the god of yoga? And what he is telling us then? He is saying, look at me, what I have done. I have achieved the supreme state. I have achieved the supreme state through the medium of, or I have done the yoga through the medium of dance. Alright? So beautifully, Shiva is bringing dance and yoga together and telling us that be on my path. This is a shortcut. And what kind of shortcut? Where you find happiness. The most important key is happiness, right? If you find something very boring, how long you will do it? Yeah? Today, maybe tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, then slowly what will happen? We will start losing the interest, right? So where your mind is not there, whether you will get the benefit out of that, you're not going to get any benefit out of it, right? If your mind is not ready for it, alright? So just to cut short, 90% of human sufferings originates from mind. Then what one should address first? Mind, right? So if you keep your mind joyful, if you keep your mind very relaxed, very peaceful, what will happen? Automatically it will take care of your entire body, right? So dance is the very powerful solution to get into the process of happiness, relaxation, and through this happiness and relaxation, where I will reach towards a very strong and very big word, spirituality. But yes, the path leads to spirituality, towards God, right? Who is God? Have you seen God? Yeah? And anybody, if have seen God? Yeah? We imagine. Why we imagine? We have so many, as we are staying in Mumbai, we have so many heroes, Bollywood stars. Why not imagine them? They are giving you happiness, right? They are giving you relaxation also, right? Why you want to imagine God? Eternal happiness. A very simple answer is, we have understood that I am not enough to understand this life, right? Whatever He has given to me, these things are not enough to understand everything, right? And that's the reason we are all the Indians are the spiritual seekers, right? Because we have understood whatever I see over here, it is not enough. Let me just search whether He is here, there, somewhere, right? And what we have done, we have developed many methods, right? Alright, so enough of this thing, just little understanding why to practice dance and yoga. Alright, so we are going to start as such a powerful and such a medium which is going to bring dance and yoga together. Alright, we'll keep on talking further also, because I will be explaining as the concept is new to all, right? So let us just start first with the warm-ups. So here we go. First warm-up, just your wrist rotation. Next warm-up, your ankle. Here we go. Raise yourself on your ankle like this, and then on your toes. Sorry, on your knees, on your toes, then on your heels. Next warm up, neck movement. Turn your head on your right, then in the front, on your left, then in the front. Drop it up, back to front, drop it down, back to front. Now just have quickly a circular movement. Just the neck will move from your right and then from your left. Alright, just spread your legs and now just bend on your right side first. And then come in the front, again straight. Then on your left, again straight. Forward bending, circular movement around your waist. First in the front, then on your right, then on your back, then on your left, and again in the front. Alright. So there are more warm-ups in this, but I'm just skipping because we are short of time. Alright. Just join your hands together and feet also together. And just with inhalation now, take your hands up. Inhale and take your hands up. And now exhale and go down, down, down. And stay there for next 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and come back 8. Back to chest. Alright. Now here comes the very excited thing for you, which you all are waiting, that exactly how we are going to now have the practice along with the dance, right? So just quickly to tell you that there are some sutras. What you read over here, Nritya Yoga Sutra, right? There are certain principles. If you don't follow principles, then it will not work like the manner yoga works for you. Understood? So here we are following the principle of yoga, that is Sthiram Sukham Asanam. What to do? Sthiram Sukham Asanam. So all the practices here are going to be very systematic, very scientific, and in a slow manner. Alright? So here we go with the Nritya Yoga Sutra, NYS Namaskar. Okay? First of all, join your hands in Namaskar in front of your chest. As this is dance, it is based on 2 Indian ancient classical dance forms of India, Bharatanatyam and Odissi. But these are completely new, developed, innovative, therapeutic movements. Alright? So, what you have to do first, tap your right foot. 1. What you have done? 1. Alright? Now take your hands up and place your right leg behind 2. Like this, 2. And now bend backward 3. And come up straight 4. Bend forward 5. 5. Stay there 6. Now get up 7. Stay there 8. Right leg forward 9. Stay there 10. Now come back 11. And hands back to the chest 12. Leg behind 2. Bend backward 3. स्ट्रेट प्रैक्टिस क्या करोगे? रोज करोगे या एक ही दिन करोगे? हाँ. So we are now moving on with our next practice. Usually हम लोग इसको 12 नमस्कार करते हैं, ठीक है? और ये 12 नमस्कार स्लो स्पीड्स में आते हैं, फास्ट स्पीड्स में भी आते हैं, और कभी-कभी 24 तक करते हैं, ठीक है? So understand this thing, right? That it is just like the way I eat food every day, I have to practice every day. Alright? My next practice is the practice of asana. Okay? So here we go for a very popular, very favorite asana, a balancing asana. एक पाद प्रणाम. एक, one, पाद, pair, and pranam. Join your hands together up there. ठीक है? So this is a very wonderful practice for mind management. All right. So stay ready. How to practice this NYS Nritya Yoga Sutra Ekapada Pranamasana. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now bring your hands down. 5, 6, and put your leg also on the floor. 7 and 8. Simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue. Just follow her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. ठीक है, खोलती है सबने हाथ ऐसे. Now just like the way we dive in swimming pool. कैसे करोगे फिर अभी next? 1, 2, 3, 4, और एक टैप करेंगे. 5, 6, 7, और come back 8. See, mudra. Alright? And this is also known as Akash Mudra or Shunya Mudra in yogic sense. Alright? So this mudra is very powerful mudra. Why? Because it maintains, it regularizes the function of your parathyroid gland. Alright? And your parathyroid is responsible for your calcium metabolism. Alright? So in short, ये बॉडी का कैल्शियम मेंटेन करने के लिए हेल्प करता है. ठीक है? एंड इट ऑल्सो रेगुलराइज द रिदम ऑफ योर हार्ट. ठीक है? तो कैसे करनी है ये मुद्रा? इसको भी एवरी डे यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस. ऑलराइट? So just hold this mudra on your sides. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Join your feet together. When I will ask you to open the eyes, then you open it. Let us meditate with this mudra. Slowly start opening your eyes. Just place your hand over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 in front of heart. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross your leg. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2, 3. Join your feet together. 4. Go back. Now go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue. 1, 2. A very linear walk. 4. Go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1. Raise your heel. 2. When you are coming forward. 3,
4.
Now the next practice, you are just supposed to tap the feet on the floor. Slowly open your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue. Asadoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub both the hands together. Place these warm hands now on your eyes. Open your eyes and look. Okay. So thank you so much. I wish you a very happy health and happy further practices. And I'm so grateful to WG you, then especially Renuji and Chetali and the rest of the body members for organizing this workshop and giving this opportunity to bring this practice for all. Thank you so much. And especially you all sitting over here who participated. I hope you have loved the practice. We could not finish everything, that is not possible, and I have dropped the meditation part over here because you need to be more ready to get into the practice of meditation and breathing techniques. Alright?
तो सबको ये सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा जो आज आपने वर्कशॉप किया। थैंक यू, आप लोग सब लोग आए, स्पेशली डॉक्टर संगीता जी।
Dr. Sangeeta Pedkar, you are a super fantastic teacher.
सर्टिफिकेट
Thank you. And thank you everybody for following her. And the young lady on the stage, her name is
मानसी, थैंक यू।
Mansi. Thank you very, very much for demonstrating everything super.
Let me just tell you that Manasi is my very old student of ODC and she was not that, but yeah, she was just 5 years old when she started learning and now she's learning in Aditya.
Everybody listen. ये मानसी ने योगा करना शुरू किया जब वो 5 साल की थी. Classical dance.
कवचिने नमः
Hello, good evening. This is Lion Falgunishin, President of the Lions Club of Gateway. Today I am here at the Women Graduate Council Study Center where I have been invited as a guest of honor. I am very much thankful to the management team, the President Parvin Vanwari, the Chairperson, my dear friend Gauri Chhabaria, who is the trustee and chairperson for this council, and our study center chairperson, Manjula Ben Patel. I'm very much thankful to them. Today I'm here, and the Women Graduate Council is working wonderfully well with for the children. They provide all the amenities for the education, for their general welfare, and for day-to-day basic needs. And I'm here as today was the event of a yogic dance mudra. It was a very unique concept. Was very innovative, and I thoroughly enjoyed under the instructions and under the guidelines of the chief guest, today's the yogic teacher, Mrs. Sangeeta Ben, जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरह से ये she taught us the सूर्य नमस्कार, the meditation, mudra, the Om chanting. It was a lovely experience, and I'm really enjoyed each and every moment till I'm here, and it's been a fantastic. And I wish you all the best, and I'm always there for your future endeavor. All the best. Thank you so much for inviting me.
वुमेंस ग्रेजुएट यूनियन की तरफ से आज यहाँ पे जो प्रोग्राम किया गया था उसमें एज ए गेस्ट करके मुझे बुलाया गया था। तो महाराष्ट्र स्टेट कमीशन महिलाओं के लिए जो भी काम कर रहा है, महिला के हक और अधिकार के लिए जो भी काम कर रहा है, उसके बारे में हमने संबोधित किया। तो यहाँ पे आने के बाद एक मालूम पड़ा कि भाई जो मुंबई वुमेंस ग्रेजुएट यूनियन है, ये इनका जो समाज के प्रति जो भावना है वो देख के हम लोग प्रभावित हो गए, क्योंकि बहुत सारे सीनियर सिटीजन यहाँ के बहुत सारे महिलाएं यहाँ पे उपस्थित थी। तो हर एक की सोच थी कि महिला के लिए ऐसा फोरम हो जहाँ पे वो अपना हक और अधिकार जैसे जो भी करना चाहते प्रोग्राम या कोई हो, तो उसके लिए इनका इनिशिएटिव रहता है। तो ऑनरेबल चेयरपर्सन और ऑनरेबल एडवोकेट गौरी छाबरिया मैडम, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा इस इंस्टीट्यूट को डेवलप किया है। सब में जो भी यहाँ का पैनल है, बोर्ड है, तो मैं शुक्रिया करना चाहूँगा कि ऐसे प्रोग्राम जरूर अरेंज करें। महिला आयोग के साथ भी जुड़ के हम लोग अच्छे प्रोग्राम कर सकते हैं। अर्बन एरिया में या रूरल एरिया में, ट्राइबल एरिया में महिला के लिए जो भी समस्याएं आ रही हैं, उनके लिए हम वुमेन ग्रेजुएट के साथ मिलके अच्छा प्रोग्राम कर सकते हैं। अच्छी एक नींव रख सकते हैं कि जहाँ पे महिलाओं के लिए, महिला लड़कियों के लिए एजुकेशन प्राप्त हो, उनके रहने के लिए ये हॉस्टल की सुविधा है। अगर पति पत्नी जैसे कुछ वाद विवाद हो तो काउंसलिंग सेंटर भी यहाँ पे उपलब्ध है। तो महिला के लिए बहुत अच्छा ये इंस्टीट्यूट साबित हो सकता है। तो ज़रूर मैं इस इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए शुभेच्छा देना चाहूँगा। आगे भी ऐसे प्रोग्राम अरेंज करेंगे तो आयोग उनके साथ रहेगा, महिला के हक और अधिकार के लिए हम उनके साथ रहेंगे। तो मैं आज की जो प्रोग्राम था योगा थेरेपी के बारे में और वुमेंस कमीशन के बारे में जानने के लिए, तो ये प्रोग्राम मेरे ख्याल से बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम हुआ और इंस्टीट्यूट ने बहुत अच्छा इसको अरेंज किया था। तो मैं सबके लिए धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ और आगे जो भी प्रोग्राम करेंगे उसके लिए मैं शुभेच्छा देना चाहता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
So it's a privilege that I got invited by WG organization today, and I'm very impressed the vision they have for organizing Nritya Yoga Sutra Dance Therapy workshop over here and making it available for all these I would say that the privileged children for whom the organization is working. And today I should say that I met not only very beautiful aspiring young children, but I have seen the kind of force this organization and the ladies who are working over here very dedicatedly, devotionally, and they are giving their selfless services to make these young children a bright future. So that is really very fantastic, and again the experience was very good and very inspiring.
I would say that I'm grateful and honored that I got this invitation and got the chance to meet all these wonderful people. Thank you so much.
नमस्ते, माई सेल्फ एडवोकेट गौरी छाबरिया. हम वुमेन ग्रेजुएट की तरफ से आज वी आर हियर एंड along with me is Manjula Patel and this is Chaitali Shah. So we had today a wonderful program. We had a twinning program of study center along with counseling and guidance center. And our children did wonderful performance, a skit as well as a Koli dance. And we had two guests of honors. We had Falguni Seth from Lions Club International as well as we had Lakshman Mankar who had come from Maharashtra State Commission for Women. And that was the first session where we had that program and we felicitated our guests. The second session we had a workshop. So Chaitanya will tell us.
The workshop was organized by Dr. Sangeeta Bain, who came especially from Nasik to do the Nritya Yoga Sutra therapy, and it was for 1 hour and it went really brilliant. All the participants really enjoyed it and it was really, really useful. And yeah.
Well, what was very important, we had very good participants. We had women who had come from BMC health workers. We had from Lions Club International members, as well as we had a lot of community members from all over Kulaba, as well as Cuff Parade, Churchgate, right up to suburbs also we had people who had come here and who benefited. Along with that, our study center children and their parents who are all staying in the area of Kolaba huts or slums you call. But we had all invited them because this program was mainly uh, designed for health and for immunity building. As you know, today's world there is a lot of stress and people like health workers who are going all over working and others also, children like, they require a lot of immunity. Just like recently we saw few years back we all were under COVID. So that is why we want that the immunity should build up and we are a lot of senior citizens as well as middle-aged citizens here in our organization Women Graduate Union. So we wanted to see that we are updated in the health along with this wonderful workshop, and I am grateful to Manjula Patel as well as Chaitali Shah for being the team and organizing this unique program. Thank you very much,
And
all
thank
of
you,
you.
Gauri, for
Thank
leading
you,
it.
Gauri has
And
supported
our President
us.
Parvin is here.
And everything is done by
Our president,
her.
we are
They have
grateful
said
to our
all the
president.
things, so I don't have to say much. Okay, thank you.
We have a president, we are grateful to her. Under her leadership, we had this wonderful program.
ॐ जगद्